Today on Excite Video Magazine, we go drifting in a Drift Tengoku cover car. Hey guys, Dustin from Excite Video Magazine, and we have a golden opportunity today. We are going to get some cameras on that car right there, and we are going to take a couple laps around with him. And the reason that is cool is because he was on the cover of Drift Tengoku last year. Shinkawa-san won the Gakudori Student Drift Competition in this same Onevia, landing him the cover on DoriTen. I didn't ask for too many secrets on this S13, but it does have an HPI intercooler and an oil cooler, which is assisted by a water sprayer. On the exterior, Origin panels make the car presentable in a beautiful light blue, although he was not running them during this practice event to avoid crashing them. The rear spoiler is a Urus piece. Most Kyushu drifters are using at least one Nomuken part on their car. He does so much for the Kyushu drift scene, so in turn, everyone supports him. For the wheels, Shinkawa-san is rolling on CR Keis. The interior is a typical drift car. Buride seat, spin turn knob, and a Nardi wheel. We can also see the Power FC controller and an assortment of gauges. And probably one of the coolest keychains ever. You can see Shinkawa-san has no problem getting this car sideways, doing triple drifts and tandems with his friends from Befriends. Shinkawa-san's dad and their crew run some checks on the rear end while I get a camera attached on the front fender. Nomuken's son Keiichi is also here today, and he's checking out Shinkawa-san's car as he prepares for this year's Gakudori event. Today we'll be running with Keiichi Nomura in the red Urus S13 Sylvia and also with Befriends in their R34 Skyline. Let's go! Let's see that run again from inside. We've moved our camera to a new position and And Shinkawa-san has changed tires and is ready to go again, and so are we. The D-France R34 has run out of tires, but Shinkawa-san has one more lap left in him. With the day over, the crew begins refitting the body panels, and we can finally see how beautiful this car really is. I'd also like to point out how awesome this car hauler is. And I'd like to say thank you to the Shinkawa family for allowing me video access to their car. There we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. That will always be for you so that you can see the latest, coolest stuff from Japan. If you do want to help me out, don't forget to like and share. Those go a long way to help the page reach more people, and it's greatly appreciated in the most insane way. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.